Welcome to another crime scene. Yeah. Get a little bit of gasoline. Welcome to another crime scene.
What's up, everybody? Scat here with another video, and today I know y'all see Josh Laurent's car, aka Demonte's car, because he is the winner of the Scat. So congratulations to Demonte for winning the Scat. And this car actually horizontal cap. So letting y'all know, right now we're about to do a little driving in Josh Laurent, aka Demonte's car. So his Instagram, Demonte's Instagram, will be right down the bottom, right there. So go follow him on Instagram. So yes, he is the winner of the Scat. So I know I said that like a couple times just now, but I'm just saying right now. So yeah, stay tuned. I am gonna make a video of Josh Laurent's Hellcat Red Eye. I'm gonna do a redesign on that. Because the Scat, I did a good job with the Scat. Y'all can see, the little. Wait, the green don't. Yeah, y'all can see that little green right there got a little messed up. I accidentally got the wrong green, and I put it right there. I was like, oh, I meant to change that, but I didn't want to mess it up, so I left it alone. So I did notice that when I ended the video when I made that video about this car. So yeah, I kind of messed it up a little bit, but it does look good in the video game. Leave in the comments down below if y'all like the video, because this is nice. You see it. Alright, so now let's get the driving right now. So yes, we're on the road. Alright, y'all, so yes, I am back with another video. It's been a little while when I made a video. I meant to make a video on Friday, but I didn't get a chance to. So yeah, I just wanted to make a little video today because I was like, I felt kind of bad. I was like, I gotta go back to YouTube now, because I was like, YouTube is my dream to just do, and I was like, why did I like had to do a lot of chores and stuff and all that. I was like, how am I gonna do this? That one day I was like, I'll do it the next day. And next thing I was like, today was the perfect day to do a YouTube video. So those of y'all new, welcome to my channel. I know if y'all probably see like how the beginning was. Those of y'all don't know Josh Laurent is one of my favorite YouTubers, and his YouTube channel will be right here in front of the screen. Go subscribe to his channel, and you will see he does have a Hellcat Red Eye, and that thing looks so cool. And stay tuned for the next video, because I am going to try to make his Hellcat Red Eye, but I don't know how I'm gonna do it because he has a wide body on this car, and on the game it's only slim bodies, and that's the only thing That's the only thing I was kind of mad at Forza. What they did, they didn't put it out of wide body to the Challenger instead of the Charge, and they didn't add a wide body for the Charger at the time. So hope we can try our best to get that done. I hope I can try my best to get that done, so it can look cool. Back and yes, I was trying to say something, but my mic wasn't working, so had to fix it. So yes, I am very happy that Josh Laurent has a Hellcat. So yes, we're gonna try to make a design for his car, but like I said, his car is a wide body, and I don't know how that's gonna work out. So I hope I come up with an idea where I can actually just put it on the slim body part and just leave it there, like leave it there looking cool. Because this car has a wide body, so he put something on the wide body, it's gonna be a little bit difficult to do, but we need to make sure we have it on the car. So yeah, so stay tuned for the next video, because that video I'm gonna try to make the wide body, making the car look like a actual, it's a slim body, but so try to make it wide body. I can actually show you the car right now. So here's the car right here. So I did try to make it really, like, I try to make it like the same color and all that, put the same rims and make sure the rims are the same color and all that. So I try to make sure that. And the one part that I forgot to tell y'all when I made a video, just look at the horsepower. I was so close. I was trying to get this 797, but it sent a 795. I was like, oh my gosh. And I tried to upgrade it one to make it close to it, but I couldn't. It was impossible because it would make it 800 horsepower. I was like, oh my gosh, this is really difficult. So yeah. So I try to make it close as possible to make it quick. Hold on, I'll be right back. So, I'm gonna try to make it the exact. I mean, we need to take a little photos of this car, because this car does. I can't resist this car. This car just it looks so good in this game. But yes, no, Demonte is the winner of this Scat. So those of you that Demonte is the winner. Joshua keeps saying to everybody, but people keep thinking like it's a lie. Like, Demonte is actually the winner. I seen Demonte on live before. I was on Joshua's live, and I saw Demonte, and he was a winner on the Scat. And I went to Demonte's Instagram. I saw him. He was so happy. So Demonte, if you're watching this video right now, congratulations for winning the Scat. So I'll leave his Instagram right down below right here. So yes, y'all, I am doing a little drive right now. Let's turn this. I'm gonna do a little something. I try to do it. I'm gonna do a little burnout. One thing I gotta say about Forza, when you're doing a burnout, at least you don't lose tread, because real life you would actually lose a lot of tread, and plus Mopar is powerful. You gotta know that. Like, Mopar is pretty powerful. But my dream car is having a Dodge Charger Scat Pack. So, yeah. Those that have been watching my videos, and y'all see if you're going to click on my video where you can see other videos, y'all can see that what kind of wrap I want. My Scat Pack. So yeah, we're just driving in this car because this car I just like it. And the one thing, if y'all hear the supercharger, don't mind the supercharger because we know that Josh Ryan don't have a supercharger in the Scat Pack. But his Hellcat Red Eye, he does have a supercharger. So I did upgrade the supercharger on the Hellcat. But the other Hellcat, I mean, this is the Scat Pack. I try to make sure I'm trying to get this right because I was kind of confusing myself. I was like, I was confusing myself for a little while. So. I had to do a little pull right there, so I mean, in real life, the Scat is 500 plus horsepower. You know, Josh always raced that car. He had drag slicks in. Actually, the one thing when I saw that Scat for the first time when I saw the Scat on the his YouTube video, I was like surprised. I was like really surprised when I first saw it. Alright, I'm just gonna park right here so I can talk for a little while. So when I first saw Josh Ryan's Scat for the first time, when he had the destroy gray and plus the camel wrap, that was, I saw that, I was like, wow. I said it looked nice. I was just like surprised. He had the stripes on it too. I was like, that is clean. And then next thing you know, he went for the half wrap. Y'all can see the half blue and purple. I know y'all mostly see the blue, but the purple's in there. It just sometimes the purple be hiding in here, so if I can just get a little glimpse of it. Oh, if y'all can see it right there. I try to make my best. I try to make the best out of it to make it look cool. I try my best to make it look cool in the video game because it just looks so clean in the video game. And city. No, y'all, be right back. Alright, y'all, I found a little parking space right here, which it's gonna have to do for now. So yes, y'all, y'all can see this Scat Pack right here. I can't believe it. It looks so good. And this, if y'all see the black line right here, it looks so, like, this wrap actually looked really realistic. Now I feel like I want to take a photo of it right here. So we're gonna have to go to photo mode. Alright, let's see. There we go. Save it. Alright, there we go. So now we're just gonna cruise back to the city because like I'm trying to find a like parking lot. Get my thumbnail. Oh, I thought he was going straight. Alright, so now we're just gonna cruise there. I'll be right back up. Alright, so I try to get where I can get the purple into it, but for some reason it won't show the purple. Alright, there we go. Finally got the thumbnail. So right now I want to talk about this car. So Josh Run's car came through a long ways. He had a blue and the little thin stripes on the stripes. It actually looked cool. I like it. In the Destroy Gray, it actually really go with it. I do like it. And then he went a camo with a camo. That camo stripe, and it actually look that I'm telling you, his car actually looks so cool with all those features he had on it. Everything he had on the Scat looked so cool. And then the last final touch to it was the green and purplish blue color. And this was the last color that he put on the car, so his last month. So that was his last wrap, and I had to make it for him. I made this car for him because when Demonte has the car, and he drives it, one thing I gotta say that I don't know that Joshua might not be the same without the Scat, you know. But he got the red eye, so I don't know, but I don't know how he's gonna be when the Scat, because he said he don't like he. I saw one of his videos that he said like right now he doesn't like feel like the car is like he's like missing the car, but soon when the car is not there, when he opened the garage, when he sees the red eye, he's gonna probably feel it. Like it's gonna. But one thing I made this car for him so he can remember this car. Y'all can see the purple right there. I finally got it right there, that purple. Right there, y'all can see it. Purple. So So I made this car for him so he can remember the Scat for a while, so he knows that the Scat he still got. So he still like the Scat's always gonna be there, because Josh always raced the Scat, and he always been racing that car used to be like really fast. If I had a Scat pack, I might left mine in stock, and he probably would beat me in every race. But yeah. I'll hope in the future that me and Joshua will meet up in the future. Hope we do meet up in the future, because I was thinking of moving down there to Michigan, and you know, I heard there was like car meets and stuff down there, so I'm like, I might move down to Michigan once I finish high school and get my Scat pack. And I just like, you know, work hard for my Scat pack when I start working, get the Scat pack, and now I'm actually, after that, I'm saving up. Now I'm actually going to Michigan. Cause Michigan's actually not that bad. I heard it wasn't that bad though. But yeah. I mean, yo, I don't know I don't know what to say, because I'm trying to make the video exciting, but for me not making the video for a while, I'm a little slacking on it right now. But stay tuned for the next video, because I am gonna make the rap for Josh Ryan, so stay tuned. I gotta go to second gear. Oh, I almost hit that. Oh, that was close. I almost hit that light bulb. It's a roadblock. Alright, so yeah, I had to do burning out tires and all that, so letting y'all know. Stay tuned for the next video. I don't know what. I don't know. I'm trying to make the video exciting today, but like my engine low, I just couldn't make it excited. So if you think the video was boring, you probably know why, because I made it entertaining. But those of y'all new, some support to the channel. Subscribe, hit the like button, and comment. And follow my Instagram at Terran00713. Alright, there we go. So what y'all? So I made it where his car is doing some drifts. Yep. So yeah, I want to say thank you for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Congratulations to Demonte, the winner of the Scat.
Alright, y'all. Sorry that y'all can't hear me. So I want to say thank you for watching. I hope you have a nice day. And what I'm trying to say is, Joshua has one of the best scat packs out there. So stay tuned for the next video. And I will make another car for Joshua. So stay tuned for that video. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Peace.